Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a quick review of the Starbucks Reserve Whiskey Barrel Aged Guatemala. I picked it up from the Seattle Roastery and I'm going to tell you if it's any good, so let's get into it. So this coffee is a collaboration between Knob Creek and Starbucks where a single origin Guatemala is aged for additional time in used Knob Creek bourbon barrels. This bag was picked off the shelf at the Seattle Roastery. I had never seen this one before, but I decided to give this bag a try because I'm a bourbon enthusiast and thought this would be an interesting coffee because it combines my love for coffee and bourbon. The tasting notes on the card say elegant, smooth, and sweet with complex layers of chocolate and fruit. You'll see in the video I didn't have the beans dialed in yet, so the shot pulled a little fast. I adjusted by pulling a longer shot. On the palate I was able to pick up fruit notes with a little chocolate, but both were dominated by the overwhelming taste of bourbon. Typically I enjoy my bourbon neat like the next guy, but I just felt these two flavors didn't mix well for me. This really just tasted like booze in my coffee without having booze in my coffee. If this is an experience or flavor profile you're looking for, then this coffee may be for you. Overall, this experience fell flat for me. I just couldn't get past the booziness of the coffee. I will say these beans tasted slightly better as a regular drip coffee, but even then it was difficult to drink. The bag cost $30 for the half pound, but I don't think I'll be able to finish it, so I'll be rating this a 2 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy all things coffee, subscribe for more. Cheers.